Today I will be calling cable. My name is Wakar Meyer and I'm your Elliott Wave Analyst, reviewing what has been and predicting what is likely to be in cable price action. So here's our daily chart. Uh, as you can see, I've got this wave up labeled as A, this wave down labeled as B, and I believe we're going to get one more wave up that will be labeled as C. That will complete the multi-year triangle. That'll complete the E wave most likely. This triangle has been developing since early 2009, I think January or March, something like that. And so let's take a look at the smaller picture so you can see why I'm calling this over. I believe this B wave in the short direction, the A portion ended here, the B portion ended here, and I believe the C portion has now terminated right here. Wave 1 was the extended wave, the longest wave. The second wave appears to be a complex correction. Third wave, triangle, fourth wave, and fifth wave. Now, if you follow me on Twitter, I did tweet trade advice. I was originally thinking this was going to be some sort of contracting diagonal. That was not the case. I tweeted that as price broke this point right here, you should probably enter long. That was at 1.5073 with a stop loss at 1.4830 and a potential take profit somewhere near 1.5735. Now, since then, I was able today to tweet out the fact that this particular wave B looks to be over. So I was able to raise the stop loss to this terminus right here. That was able to potentially, if I'm wrong, save us 180 pips. Okay, so now you're only risking about something like what is that? Yeah, you're risking about 60 pips to make 700. I'd say that's a pretty outstanding risk reward ratio. So I do encourage you to follow me on Twitter. I do tweet out what I believe to be high probability trading advice, and all of that, of course, is provided free of charge. If you find that it's useful, I'd appreciate it if you share that information with your friends that trade Forex. That's today's call. Oh, by the way, you can follow me on Twitter at Calling Cable, just like the YouTube channel. So that's at Calling Cable if you want to follow me on Twitter. That's today's call. I hope you'll join me again for tomorrow's call.